How to transfer Presto balance to new card. In this short tutorial, I will explain you each and everything that how you can transfer your money from Presto card to a different card. Well, it's very easy, but you have to take a different route to avail this feature. So here on the top right, it doesn't matter you're logged in or logged out. So you have to click on this support, and here you have to click on refund or lost damaged card. So in the refund, you will be able to receive it in your bank account, which is basically, of course, in your card. So here, all the information is given for to refund your balance, which is in your Presto account. So basically, we are doing this because there is a no way where you can just ask for a refund directly. So this is the only way where you have to ask. So first of all, you have to click on refund for a physical Presto card, right? Which is basically if you have ordered for a physical Presto card, but this is for a lost or damaged card page. And there's another one which is called refund form B, and this one is refund Presto in a Google wallet. So if you have used a Google wallet to put or load money into your Presto account, then only it is useful, right? And here basically there's a lot more feature where you can just ask for Presto ticket refund, and this is a form. By the way, first of all, we have to just click on this one, right? Lost or damaged card page. So once you click on here, you have to just wait for a few seconds, and here you have to click on report now. So basically you have to sign in to your Presto account to report your physical card. So I've already signed in, so again they will not ask me, and it will show whatever the money which is available on my Presto account. So it is zero right now, that's why I can't. But here you can see cancel and transfer a balance and detail to another card in your account. So if I just select here, and once I select this, you can see that certain condition may apply. The transfer will take 4 to 24 hours. So depending upon your case, you can select any of these information here, and here it will show your Presto card, which I don't have right now. This is just a tutorial for you guys. And once you have choose the option, right? So for example, let's say that I'll choose this one, and I will just click on continue. Now here your Presto card number will be shown, your name, and basically the current balance which is available in your Presto, and this is our transfer pass. So again, I will just click on the next, and here I have to enter my Presto card because I want to transfer it in my different card. In the last step, I have shown you that you can just get directly over your bank account. You have to select that info, that option, right? And once everything is according to your requirement, you have to click on I agree to the terms and condition, and then just click on confirm, and you will get a confirmation email over your email address, and they will refund it under 24 to 48 hours. So this is the only way to get your refund or transfer your money from one account to a different account. I hope you found this video very useful.